Hey, what's up guys? It's Jonathan and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're talking Galaxy S9. Not leaks, not my favorite features, not yet at least. We're talking 5 reasons why the Galaxy S9 Plus in specific should be your next phone. Now for me, I'm a Note 8 lover. In fact, I did a video, I'll leave it in a card right up here at the top. The Note 8 was my favorite phone of 2017. I explained it in that video and I still stand by that because I love that phone. So I'm definitely looking forward to the S9 and the S9 Plus. And I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why even myself might be purchasing this phone. Reason number 1, the new dual camera on the S9 Plus. Unfortunately, the S9 doesn't look to be getting this same dual camera system, but it does incorporate the main feature of the new camera, and that's the fact that it has a built-in aperture diaphragm, meaning that it has a variable aperture. You can switch between f1.5 and f2.4 on the fly. This is something that has never been done before on a mobile device. Being able to switch to f1.5 when you want that shallower depth of field look or better low light capabilities, and then f2.4 when you're doing landscape photography or just want more in focus is freaking awesome and definitely game changing. I'm just interested to see how well this is gonna work, and that's just my first reason why I can't wait to get this phone. Reason number 2, the Snapdragon 845. Now, of course, there's gonna be other phones with this processor, but this is gonna be one of the first, and it's going to be really, really awesome. First of all, it's gonna support slow motion up to 480 frames per second at 720p and 4K at 60 frames per second. That's pretty awesome. Plus, the 845 is more efficient, which means better battery life, which is a win. Reason number 3, the S9 Plus is actually gonna get 6 GB of RAM just like the Note 8. Unfortunately, the S9's not, but let me just tell you, that extra 2 GB of RAM on the Note 8 went a long way, and I'm hoping for similar, if not better performance on the S9 Plus, which is just another reason why I'm gonna buy this phone. Reason number 4, the S9 and the S9 Plus are finally getting stereo speakers. That's right, they're finally getting dual speakers in a similar fashion to the iPhone, so you have one on the bottom and then the earpiece acts as a speaker, but nonetheless, that is stereo speakers on a Galaxy device, something I have been wanting for a long time, and the icing on the cake, they're tuned by AKG, so you know they're gonna sound good. And to go along with that, just as a little bonus, they kept the headphone jack. That's pretty sweet. And finally, the 5th reason on why I'm gonna be picking up this phone as my main device, the fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner has finally been moved, so it's no longer next to the camera, so you're not gonna be smudging up your camera all the time. Instead, they move it below the camera in a more traditional location, and I gotta say, this is actually gonna make a world of a difference. Well guys, that was 5 reasons why you should be considering the S9 or the S9 Plus as your next device, just like me. But what do you think? What do you think of these 2 new phones? Are you excited for them? Are you excited for something else? Let me know down below in the comments, as I would love to hear back from you guys. For me, I'm really interested in seeing what Samsung does with the software also. Every launch they do, they seem like they fine-tune the software, such as the Note 8, the Galaxy S8 and the S8 Plus. They've gotten better and better with the Samsung Experience Launcher, and I want to see what they do with the S9 and the S9 Plus, whether they take away a few features, add a few features, fine-tune it, make it more like stock, make it more fluid. I don't know. I'm definitely excited, and yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, drop it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go ahead and stick around by subscribing. If you're not new here, turn on those notifications so you can be alerted when new content drops. Hit me up on social, as I do respond faster there. And of course, I'll talk to you in the next one.